how are you doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Kenywa and I do home content and house hunting videos, and today I am in Muthiga, and the house which we are going to view today are 1-bedroom houses. One is an open plan kind of a house, the other one is closed. It has a closed kitchen, and let me show you the outlook of the house before we get in. This is how the house looks from outside. It's quite beautiful from outside, and yeah, it's quite beautiful from outside, as you can see. And that is the gate right there to the parking, and then we have the small gate over there, and it's quite a view from outside. Let's get inside and see what they have. The entrance of the house, and this is the sitting room, which is quite spacious, and we have the window right over here, which is big, and it is allowing a lot of sunlight into the living room. I think the living room is quite spacious, and then from the living room on your left is the washroom, which is quite big, and I love the tiling of this washroom. You can see the tiles are quite easy to clean. We have the shower over there, and we have this beautiful sink. It's quite beautiful, and the bathroom is quite big. We have the tissue holder over there, so that is the bathroom. And then we have the sink over here. We have the hot shower, and then on your left is the bedroom, which is big. It's big, you guys. This is the bedroom with the window over there, which is quite big. The bedroom is quite big. We have the wardrobe here, which is a little bit tiny. It is not as big, though I think it's enough, especially for people who are living alone. So that is the wardrobe, and we have a drawer here. So that is the bedroom for you. And then from the bedroom we go to the kitchen, which is a closed kitchen. This is the kitchen, which isn't as big. We have the sink there, we have the worktop there, and we have this space, and this one. The kitchen is quite tiny. We have some storage space over there, and then we have this space here. The kitchen isn't as big, and then we have the storage space over here, which isn't as big, and we have the kitchen window over there. So that is the kitchen for you. It is not as big, but I think it's enough. So I think that is basically it. That is the kitchen, and this space over here, that is the kitchen for you. And this house is going for 16,500 shillings. Let me show you the other second house, which again is quite spacious, and I love the tiling of this house. As you can see, the tiles are quite beautiful. Sorry, these things have not been removed yet because I think it's being repaired, and it has this window here, which is quite big, not as big, but I think it's enough. And that is the size of the sitting room, and that is the sitting room door over there. This particular one is an open plan kitchen, open planish. So that is the kitchen over there. The kitchen to this one is a little bit big. So this is the kitchen over here, As I have told you, it's being repaired. That is why you see all that. I'm sorry for that. And then we have this storage over here. You can put your rules and whatever there. Quite something. And then we have the sink over there, and then right outside the kitchen we have a small balcony, and this house is on the ground floor. That is why you can see, that is why you can see the land from here. So yeah, and it's next to Kino Calvary Temple. So that is the balcony, and this is the kitchen. So we go to the bedroom, and from the sitting room, this is the door from the sitting room. From the sitting room we have the sink to the bathroom. The bathroom to this one is not as big as the other one, and it's not as clean. So that is the bathroom, and you have a place where you can hang your towel. You have the shower and all that. Not as big, and yeah, that is it. Not as big, but I think it's quite enough. And then we have the bedroom on this side, and that is the window over there, and that is the size of the bedroom. And we have the wardrobes here. Not big, but I think it's enough, especially if you are living alone. And we have a drawer there. I think it's quite enough. I think it's enough, especially for a person who is living alone. So that is the bedroom. And this house, this particular one, is going for 15,000 shillings, which is quite okay according to where it's located. I am off the building, and I forgot to say Muthiga is on Waiyaki Way, so the house is on Waiyaki Way, Muthiga, and the first house goes for 16,500 shillings rent plus 16,500 shillings deposit plus a lease agreement of 1,000 plus water deposit of 1,500 shillings. The other house, which is the open plan kind of a house, goes for 15,000 shillings rent plus 15,000 shillings deposit plus a lease agreement of 1,000 plus water deposit of 1,500 shillings. And I will link the contact details on the description box below for in case you want to see the house. And the house has security 24/7, and it has water, and your parking is taken care of. The house is also near the road, like it's near the road. You can see the road from where the house is, so you can go home at any time of the night. Yeah, so that is it about our house today. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and let me see you on my next video, right? Yeah, I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.